But anyway, for those of you guys that missed my Buc-ee's video from not this past Thursday, but the one before that, and my Buc-ee's cinnamon roll review video, well, I ended up getting another snack from Buc-ee's. I also ended up getting a hot sauce container from Buc-ee's as well, which is really good. And tonight, this late night video, I wanted to make a little review of this other snack I got from Buc-ee's, which I'm about to show you guys. This is what it is. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps. Thin, crunchy pretzel snacks. Dark chocolate crunch. That is what it looks like in my hand. Pretty similar to what it looks like on the package. I would say exactly what it looks like on the package, the bag. Now the best part is trying it for you guys. Wow, I would definitely say that is really good. The dark chocolate, definitely the best part. Got the dark chocolate, the pretzel. It's like a perfect combination. Like if you guys like regular chocolate covered pretzels, this is next step up from it, I would definitely say. I love chocolate covered pretzels, but this I would say is definitely better than a normal chocolate covered pretzel. Even though chocolate covered pretzel is still really good, dark chocolate covered pretzel is just next level. And I would definitely rate that one a 10 out of 10. Not being biased in any way, shape, or form. Just my honest opinion. 10 out of 10. And that was amazing. And if you guys ever go to Buc-ee's, I would recommend getting that, as well as the cinnamon roll, or whatever you feel like getting. And if you guys see these at like any other store, or wherever they may sell these at, I would recommend getting them as well. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to never miss lit Everyday Andrew videos. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.